Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning everyone. My name is Reva Febrianti from class 1C D4 Accounting. And today I'm going to talk about business ethics. Thank you for being here today. Let me start by giving you a brief overview of my presentation. My presentation will be divided into 5 parts, namely definition of business ethics, goals, principles of business ethics, forms and types of business ethics, and the last point, benefits of business ethics. First of all, let's look at definition of business ethics. Business ethics refers to the moral principles and standards that guide behavior in the world of business. It serves as a code of conduct for organizations and individuals to ensure decisions and actions are fair, legal, responsible, and socially acceptable. The next point is that business ethics goals. There are 6 points about business ethics goals. First, to enhance the company's image and reputation. Business ethics helps a company maintain a positive public image. When a company is known for being honest and responsible, people respect and trust it more. A good reputation can also attract customers, investors, and talented employees. Then, to build trust among consumers, partners, and the public, ethical behavior builds strong relationships. Customers are more likely to stay loyal when they believe a company is honest and fair. Business partners and the public will also have more confidence in the company when it consistently acts with integrity. Next, to guide decision making within the company. Ethical principles serve as a guide for making decisions when employees and leaders face difficult. Business ethics helps them choose actions that are right, fair, and legal. This prevents confusion and ensures consistency. Then, to prevent unethical practice, example, fraud, corruption, and exploitation. One of the main goals of business ethics is to stop harmful actions such as lying about financial data, accepting bribes, or mistreating workers. Ethics helps create a work environment that values honesty and accountability. And then, to promote fair and healthy competition. Business ethics encourage companies to compete in a way that respects rules and other businesses. It discourages unfair strategies like false advertising or stealing ideas, which can hurt other businesses and the industry as a whole. And the last business ethic goals, to support sustainable and responsible economic development. Ethical businesses care about the long-term impact of their actions. They try to protect the environment, respect human rights, and contribute to society. This goal focuses in growth that benefits both the company and the company over time. Okay, now I'm going to talk about principles of business ethics. There are 6 principles of business ethics. The first, honesty. Honesty means providing accurate and truthful information at all times. A business should not deceive its customers, employees, or partners. This includes being honest in advertising, pricing, communication, and reporting. Honesty builds trust and strengthens business relationships. The second is integrity. Integrity involves acting according to moral values and ethical principles. Even when no one is watching, a company with integrity does the right thing consistently, not just when it is convenient or profitable. This principle creates a culture of trust and respect. The third is fairness. Fairness means treating everyone equally and without bias. Business should avoid discrimination and favoritism, and they should make decisions based on objective and just reasons. Fair treatment of employees, customers, and suppliers helps build a positive work environment and reputation. The fourth is responsibility. Responsibility refers to being accountable for one's actions and their consequences. Ethical business take responsibility for their decisions and correct mistakes when they occur. They also consider the impact of their actions on society and the environment. And then, 5 is caring. Caring means showing concern for the well-being of others. An ethical company considers the needs and safety of its employees, customers, and community. This principle supports creating a respectful, healthy, and supportive work and business environment. And the last point, law obedience. Law obedience means following a local, national, and international laws and regulations. Ethical business operate legally and respect rules that protect consumers, workers, and the environment. Following the law also helps a company avoid legal trouble and penalties. Right, now I would like to explain about forms and types of business ethics. Business ethics can be divided into 3 main types. Number 1, internal ethics. Internal ethics deals with how a business behaves within the organization. It includes the values and responsibilities that apply to the people inside the company, such as employers and employees. Example of internal ethics: employer and employee relationships, respect, fairness, and support in the workplace. Then, anti-discrimination and inclusion policies, ensuring equal opportunities regardless of gender, race, religion, or background. And then, transparency and accountability, honest communication, and taking responsibility for actions. These ethics create a positive workplace culture and improve employee satisfaction. Number 2, there is external ethics. External ethics refers to a company's ethical responsibilities towards people and organizations outside the business. This includes customers, being honest in advertising, selling safe products, and respecting privacy. Then suppliers, fair negotiations, timely payments, and honest communication. And then government and society, following laws, paying taxes, and supporting the community and environment. External ethics help businesses build strong reputation and maintain long-term relationships. And the last types of business ethics is professional ethics. Professional ethics are the moral standards that apply to people based on their specific professions. Every profession has its own code of ethics to ensure trust, responsibility, and high standards. Examples: accounting, accuracy in financial reports and avoiding fraud. Then, law, keeping client information private and following legal rules. Medicine is protecting patient health, safety, and privacy. And then journalists, reporting truthfully and avoiding bias or misinformation. Following professional ethics is important to maintain the integrity of each profession. Of course, we must not forget that benefits of business ethics. Business ethics refer to the principles and values that guide a company's behavior. Acting ethically is not just the right things to do, it also brings many important benefits to the business. Here are the 5 benefits of business ethics. Number 1, build a strong brand and public trust. When a company acts with honesty, fairness, and responsibility, people trust it more. Ethical behavior helps build a strong reputation and a positive brand image. Customers are more likely to buy from companies they trust. For example, companies that are transparent and fair gain loyal support from the public. Number 2, reduce the risk of legal issues and penalties. Companies that follow laws and regulations are less likely to face lawsuits, fines, or penalties. Ethical behavior ensures that the business avoid illegal or harmful actions. This saves the company time, money, and damage to its reputation. Number 3, enhance employee morale and customer loyalty. When employees see that their company is ethical, they feel respected and valued. This improves morale, motivation, and teamwork. Customers also stay loyal to businesses they see as honest and responsible. A strong ethical culture keeps both employees and customers satisfied. Number 4, attracts responsible investors and business partners. Investors and partners want to work with companies that are stable, trustworthy, and ethical. Being ethical can increase investor confidence and bring more business opportunities. Ethical companies are seen as low risk and reliable in the long term. And the last number is creates a healthy, productive workplace culture. An ethical workplace promotes fairness, respect, and open communication. This leads to a more positive environment where employees feel safe and supported. In such workplace, people are more productive and less likely to quit. Okay guys, that's the material I can convey. So, in conclusion, business ethics are essential for the success and sustainability of any organization. They help companies act responsibly, treat people fairly, and make decisions with integrity. Ethical practice improve employee morale, customer trust, and public reputation. They also reduce legal risk and attract reliable business partners. In today's world, strong business ethics are not only a moral responsibility but also a key factor in long-term growth and success. Okay, that's all for me. Thank you for watching. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.